Shake. It's an old classic app that's been around since Windows 7 and also works with Windows 10. If your screen gets cluttered with open windows, left click on the title bar on the program you're working with, then shake your mouse left and right to minimize other open windows. Hold and shake it again for bringing them back. Old School Start Menu. This is a more useful alternative start menu for Windows 10. As you can see, when you click at the Start menu, Windows 10 has changed a lot. Right-click on the Start menu and you can see a lot more options that is not present in the regular Start menu. It gives you shortcut to apps and features like Power Options, PowerShell, Disk Management and a lot more. Background apps. Programs that run in the background can offer many beneficial features like the ability to show you notifications. They can also waste bandwidth, use up system resources, and drain your laptop battery. To turn them off, go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. You can turn on and off the background apps as you like, or you can turn on and off each app individually. While working on a task, notifications can be a huge distraction. To gain more control over these notifications, open Settings, go to System, select Focus Assist. You can choose whatever option that suits your need. Go to System, Notifications and Action. Windows has made this option easy to access. In your taskbar, click on Notifications and as you can see, on the top right, there is Manage Notifications. This is an easy way to access notification settings. Snip and Sketch. It's a built-in screenshot tool for Windows 10. It has always been inadequate when compared to other third-party softwares closing the gap. Snip and Sketch is the best screen capture tool ever to be included in any Microsoft operating system. To activate, press Windows plus Shift plus S.